Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna be doing some Harajuku makeup today for the first time ever. I have my baby in the room, so if you hear like random babbles and stuff, it's my almost 1-year-old son. Made my eyeballs mad as hell. I'm going to use a primer on my eyes. This is the Ofra Eye Gel Primer. And it's just like this, and it's kind of like the consistency of a concealer. So I'll just like put it on. And this is just to help with... So I always start with a white eyeshadow. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Currently, I always get like a favorite white eyeshadow. Like I'll get like one white eyeshadow that I'm like, oh my god, I love this one so much. So like a few months ago, I was using the Anastasia Beverly Hill white for like everything. Obviously, like I hit pan on it, but like nothing else. But recently, I found the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. Well, I didn't find it. I've had it for a while. But I've been using this white shade in here, and it's actually a pink. It doesn't look pink, but it's actually pink, but it's so white. It's like the lightest pink ever, but I love it. It blends so nicely, and I think having it not 100% white has been making my looks look even better. So I just start by putting a white base on the top of my brow bone. This is just something I always do. Like the inner corner with white. I feel like it helps just make the eyes look bigger. And it's easier for me personally to blend when there's already white there. So I needed a lighter pink shade. So I grabbed this palette, which is pretty much brand new. That's why that's still in there. Moira Cosmetics Daydream palette. I love this brand. They have really nice eyeshadows, and I'm going to be using this baby pink color. It's called Cloud 9, which is what I'm going to be on after I'm done with this look. So I think I wasn't recording for the secondary pink color, which kind of sucks, but I added a second pink color called Moony. Taking a clean blending brush, and I'm going to blend it out nice and soft. I'm going to use this like champagne pink. It's called Reverie, I guess. I'm sorry. Going with my Lilac You A Lot palette. Going to go with this bold, what is it called? It's called Iffy. That's how I'm feeling about this look already, because I always second guess myself. Back in with that like white pink eyeshadow from the beginning and just refreshing it, making it nice and vibrant, and then going back in, and I'm going to reblend that purple up into the white. Very soft. Do you ever get to the point in a makeup look where you're like, okay, don't mess this up, don't mess this up, don't mess this up, Molly, whatever you're doing, don't mess this up? That's how I feel at this exact moment in time. I'm going to start by just adding some concealer down here after I clean up all this fallout. So let's do it. Take this little crease brush and the color Ghostin', and start just putting it on the inner corner. So I have like the worst memory ever and forgot my white eyeliner. So I stopped all of this to break out the Milk Jumbo pencil from NYX. So we're just gonna put this on the inner corner and like under. Like, we're going for huge eyeballs here. If you don't want huge eyeballs, you could stop here and say, okay, this is enough. I don't need to be extra. But I am extra. So there we go. So again, going in with Ghostin' from the Lilac You a Lot palette. If you like kawaii looks, you should probably get this palette. It's affordable and it's really good. I'm gonna bring this Ghostin' color to about the middle-ish, and then go ahead and pick up that Iffy color, which is this dark purple. Take this true white color and just whiten up all of this eyeliner. I literally like will not breathe on camera. If you guys want me to do a video on eyeliner and stuff, I can do that in a separate video, but this is gonna take quite a bit of time because I'm very steady and I'm a perfectionist, and if it doesn't come out good, I'll probably cry. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I did the whole eye look, I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera because it would take an eternity, and like I'm not trying to have you guys sit here for an hour. Maybe I'll add like doing some cute little things on the video, but I'm not gonna sit here and make you watch the whole damn thing. It'd take forever. If you guys do have any specific videos you want to see, I do have some tutorials on my TikTok, but obviously they're really quick, like a minute at most. So if there's any specific videos you'd like to see, blush, eyeliner, foundation, whatever it is, just comment or DM me on Instagram or write on something on TikTok, wherever you have me, hit me up and let me know. So I look like a completely different creature now, in my opinion. Something about this look makes me feel like, I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna have my real hair for this look. I don't know, let's see what happens. In 3, 2, 1. So I finally finished the look. I put on my cute little kawaii thingy nails. They're my Melody, and they're perfect, and they're cute. And there's a corresponding blue color to this. It's like my kawaii dream. I love them so much. If you follow me on Instagram, I probably already spammed the life out of you. I hope you guys like this look, because I love it. It's so cute and so fun and fairy, and oh, it's so cute. I don't want to take it off, but it's literally like 12:30 at night. It's too bad. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. I'm always posting cute and dumb stuff on TikTok. Like, forgive me for my cringe. Look forward to more videos like this because I'm seriously sticking on YouTube this time. I promise. Believe me. Subscribe. Love you. Bye.